Thomas Carroll are a financial services group here in Caerphilly. People are the business, but we've had a family culture here from 1st of October 1972, and that culture is about looking after our own, supporting our own, educating them to be the best they can be. They're better at their job, they trust, there's a working partnership between us. With the loyalty that I enjoy from my people, and the clients recognise that, so they can come to rely on that person to know their business, find the right solutions.
We recognise at Thomas Carroll that our people are our greatest asset. Once people are on board with us, they need to fully engage within our training programme, from online training, qualifications, traditional training sessions, coaching, we run a mentoring programme, but each part of that is all key to an individual's development. It's a partnership, so you get what you invest. You know, they're hardworking and they're engaged with us and with our clients because we've helped to make their jobs more rewarding. We're proud of all of our employees, but we've had some real success stories over the years.
My name is Alex Dredge. Thanks to a personalised development plan, I worked my way up through the company from a receptionist to a commercial account executive. From the outset, there was a tailored training plan and financial support for professional qualifications, external training courses, and just a general partnership between myself and the company.
Invest in training because you will reap the rewards. We want to develop them to be the best that they can possibly be.